You say this adding machine is?
I would not be able to tell you. Vicky might be able to tell you. But if I was to guess, I'm going to say it's got to be all of, what do you think, 70 years old?
Yeah, notice the... No, I guess this is a typewriter and... Oh yeah, it's more of a... It's a typewriter. Very neat.
Yeah, there's your ink.
Now over here, this is a
that
very...
must be the adding machine. That's a cash register? No, that's an adding machine.
That's a pretty old one too. And this was the new cord. I'm assuming they're going to be putting on it to use.
It looks like an extension, maybe.
Yeah. Well, they'll probably cut the end off and put a new cord on so it can be plugged in to demonstrate. But this is a very neat old adding machine. How old did you say that one is? Did you say this is
40s?
40s, yeah.
Wouldn't you think?
Yeah, it does look pretty.
Actually, great shape it's in.
Yeah, very neat. Well, thanks for watching.
Could be 30s. Who the heck knows?